Bhagavato Samma Sambuddhassa Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. We are going to the Saji Paisa Linga Gahana Kali Ewan Hoti Nahan Kasaji Aroji Samiti Viharanja Gado Aroji Gahani Niwa Tira Samwasako. In the previous AD, he went to talk about something, but here his attention. If there was the time taking the appearance of the novice of him, he think like this: Nahan Kasaji Aroji Sami, I won't tell anyone. He changed his mindset and some the Pali.
Hello.
Yeah, hi Bante. Your connection is not very well good, Bante.
Oh, okay.
Okay, let me check. Can you hear?
Yes, Bante.
Yeah. Okay, I want the other.
Are you still there, Bante? Oh.
Hello, can you hear?
Yes, Bante.
Oh, this is my private internet Wi-Fi, but is it not okay?
Oh. Yeah, it's okay now, Bante.
Yeah, okay. Saji Pesa Linga Gahana Kali Ewen Hoti. After that, we see the comma. Because of this comma, we can think this is the subordinate clause. If there is the time taking the appearance of the novice of him. At the moment, taking the time of the novice appearance, he had the attention. Nahan Kasaji Arojisami. Arojisamiti. Because of this iti. Iti is the related to the which part? Actually, at the time of the taking the appearance of the novice, he had the those types of attention. Therefore, this Nahan Kasaji Arojisamiti. This Arojisamiti is the must be related to the previous sentence, hoti. Related to the previous sentence, saji, be hoti, must be. But in the here Pali structure here, using the comma, because of this comma, we can think this it is related to the later sentence or not. Therefore, this writing style actually related to the previous sentence. After the ROGC also we see the comma. Therefore, these two sentences are the subordinate clause. Gahaniniwa Thira Samwasko is the main clause. Because of his wrong tension. And later he changed his wrong tension. Taking the appearance of the novice, he had the mindset, I won't tell anyone. But later he changed. Going to the monastery, he changed his mindset and he tell someone. Even though he changed his mindset, but his taking appearance of the novice is not the right way or correct way. Therefore, Gahani Newa, by taking the appearance of the novice, he is the Thera Samvasaka person. If we say exactly here the Linga Thinaka person, not the Samvasa Thinaka person. Mindset is even though first wrong, later he changed correct way, but taking appearance is not the correct way, therefore he is the Thera Samvasaka, exactly mean the Linga Thinaka person. Athapaisa Gahana Gali Ajekisami Ti Jaitan Upanan Hodi Viharanja Gandawa Guhindwin Awiso Gadoti Wukdo Na Dani Man Ime Janandi Ti Winjitawa Najai Kati Najai Kisami Ti Saha Dura Nikhibi Na Ayambi Thera Samvasakowa Athapaisa Atha Api Asa Athapaisa Atha Api Asa. This Athapaisa we need to translate it together with the Athapi is the together with the verb. Athapi hoti. Kahana Gali Ajekisami. I will tell or I will inform someone at the moment of the taking the appearance. Jaitan open and haughty. Even though he had the mindset, I will tell someone when I take the appearance of the novice. Viharanja Gandawa, having gone to the monastery. Guhindun also Gadoti Vogdo. Someone said to him, where do you go? After hearing this question, he changed mindset. Nadani man ime janandi. Now they don't know me. Winjitawa najaikati. He doesn't talk anyone. Having treat because he noted no one can notice me. I already destroyed. Therefore, I don't need to tell anyone. The fact in his mindset appear like this. Najai Khati, he doesn't tell anyone. And then Najai Kaisa Miti Saha Dura Nikhi Pena Ayambi Thera Samvasagowa. Just appearing the mindset is enough. But after making the decision, he is also, this person is also Thera Samvaska person. Dura Nikhi Pena by giving up the duty together with the I won't tell anyone. That means he already made the decision. I won't tell anyone. Because of this decision, he is the Thera Samvasaka person. This Thera Samvasaka person also among the two or three times. Linga Tinaka, Samvasa Tinaka, Ubaya Tinaka, among the three types. What types of Thera Samvasaka midi? Here also Linga Tinaka Samvasaka. Linga Tinaka, because he is also first, his mindset is good, I will tell someone. But later, he changed his mindset, I won't tell anyone. In the previous person, at the moment, past his mindset is not good, I won't tell anyone, but later he tell. Yeah, that person is he past his mindset is good, but later he changed his mindset, bad one. Therefore, he is also Linga Tinaka person. AMB Thera Samvasaka. Saji Panasa Gahana Gali Pi Ajeke Samiti Jaitan Opana Hoti Viharan Gandawabi Ajekati Ayambuna Babejan Labati. If there was or if there is a mindset, I will tell someone when I take the appearance of the novice. Having gone to the monastery, he tells someone. That person can be the novice or meant again. Because his mindset is pure. Therefore, whatever we do here in this Thera Samvasaka, mindset is very important. Mindset is very important means we can think two parts, taking the appearance of the novice moment and after going to the monastery moment. Two moments. Both sides must be the good mindset. Some part taking the moment of the novice appearance, even though they have the good mindset, later he changed. After going to the monastery, they change. Those types of person also cannot be get the novice again. And taking moment of the novice appearance, bad mindset, later he changed a good mindset. At the time also, he can be think about it. But at the time he said it correctly. At the moment, those person can be the novice again. Two part moment, we need to be the good mindset. Aparo Dahara Samaniro Mahandowa Pana Abyato So Purima Nayinewa Opabajetawa Gare Vichaka Rakana Dini Kamani Gado Na Hti Tamina Nyadaga Tani Yewa Kasayani Ichaditawa Talakanwa Patawa Hati Tatawa Gicha Samanowa Hohiti Gara Niharandi. The other Yan or novice is not good at in Vinaya. So Purima Newa Opabajetawa having this talk similar to the previous one. He doesn't want to do the duty of the house, such as the protecting or taking care of the calf, small cow, and so on. Tamina Nyadaga Ti Tani Yewa Kasayani Ichaditawa. The relatives having cover or having made wear those robes, having it the bowl or plate on the hand. They take out that person from home, saying that go and make novice. That means he doesn't want to do any duty fair or the house. Therefore, the relative doesn't agree. Therefore, they take out. In his mindset, the novice doesn't matter. He has the great or bad mindset. It doesn't matter. Even though he doesn't have any intention to become novice more anymore, but because of his relative, his appearance is like the novice. So we had a Gichati. Niwa Nan Beku Janandi. Ayan Opa Bajadawa Puna. Sayamiwa Babajidoti. Nabi Sayan Janati. Yon Ewe Babajati. So Tira Samwasko Nama Hoditi. So we had a Gichati. He go to the monastery. The man don't know him or don't know that novice. Ayan Upabajitawa Puna Sayamewa Babajidoti. This novice became novice again by himself, having destroyed Janadi with the say this novice doesn't know. Nabi say this novice also doesn't. Your Ewin Babajati, he became novice like it also till here.
So Pandya,
Hello.
your connection is
Yes.
not so okay.
Yeah. Did you hear?
Now okay, but when you talk something and it crack again like that.
Okay. I will repeat this sentence. So we had Gichati, Niwana, Beku, Janandi. He go to the monastery. The other men don't know him. Ayan Upabajitawa Puna Sayamiwa Babajidoti. The other man don't know him that this novice is become novice in this road. Nabi Sayan Janati. Novice also doesn't know by himself. Your Ewin whoever become novice so nama hoditi. That person part does know. The other man is also they don't know. This novice is the become novice again by himself. Doesn't know. He doesn't know me how he doesn't know me if he doesn't know how the novice if they do the novice by himself. Those types of that interpretation or that's explanation.
Yeah, your connection is very poor. This is cracking. Hello?
I can hear your sound.
Yeah.
Okay, how can I do? Okay, I will let's change the like our ITVMU Wi-Fi. Okay, or not? Hello.
Yes, Bante.
Okay. Hello.
Yes, Bante. Hello, can you hear me, Bante?
Yeah, I can hear. Which part did you hear? Hello.
Yeah. So what I have so far is up to the Sache Tang Pripung Nawasang Upasamba Denti.
Okay. Okay, Sajidan Paripuna Wisan Upa Sambaditi Supa Sambano. Supa Sambano. If that novice became the 20-year, at the time the other men made him man ordination. This man ordination is the successful because he also doesn't know by himself, taking the appearance of the novice by himself is the Thera Samvasaka. That meaning or that explanation he doesn't know. And also the other men are also, they don't know. This novice is take appearance by himself. They don't know because of this. His making man ordination is the perfect. Sajipana anupa sampana kali yewa Vinaya Vinaychiye Vittamane Sunati Yo Ewen Babajati So Thera Samvasako Nama Hoditi. If the time of the making before the Anupa Sampana Kali, before making the man ordination, where there is the checking the Vinaya examination, he had it. He had it means the novice had it. Your Ewen Babajati, whoever made ordination by himself. So Thera Samvasako Nama Hodi, that person is the called Thera Samvasaka person. Before making the novice man ordination, he noted whoever made novice by himself. This person is the Thera Samvasaka person. And then Tina Mayan Ewen Gadandi Bekuna Ajeki Devan Ewen Puna Babijan Levati Therefore, by hearing this statement, Maya Iwin Gadan, I have done like this. Bhikkhuna Ajaki Debe should be informed to the monk, I have done like this. Iwin Puna Pabe Jan Lavati. Like this, he get the nobility again, because he had the pure mindset. He doesn't want to make the any telling lie to anyone. He had the pure mindset. Therefore, if he know, he informed some monk. At the time, some man taking his appearance destroy again, and then giving the road to the preceptor and accepting the preceptor, taking the tripagen, he can become the novice again. After becoming the novice, he is already 20 years, therefore he had the chance to become man as well. Because he is the pure mindset. Sajina Dani Man Goji Jana Didi Naro Jidi Dura Nikita Mati Tira Sawasago. If he doesn't tell, now no one will know me. Dura Nikita Mati when he given his duty. He is the Tira Sawaska person. The past, he is the Lenga Tinaka person. Because of his bad mindset, at the beginning, he is not good at Vinaya, therefore he doesn't know. Later, people make the man ordination, when they appear the examination of the Vinaya, when the other man check it. At the time, he knows it. When he do like this, it's okay. But he did it wrongly, but he didn't inform anyone. Therefore, those types of person cannot be the novice anymore. Bhikkhu Sikhan Pichakaya Lenga Anapanitawa Dosila Gaman Kadawawa Akadawawa Puna Sabang Popi Vodan Wasa Gananadi Bidan Wide Pati Pejati Tira Sawasako Hodi. Bhikkhu Sikhan Pichakaya having given the training rule. But Lenga Anapanitawa, he doesn't remove or he doesn't take out the appearance of the monk. That means he is not the man, but he is only wear the robe. Therefore, after that, don't sila gaman kadawawa akadawawa, having them or not the action of the immoral person. Puna Sabhan Bobe Wodan, Wasa Gananadi Bedan Wide Patipijati. He accepted all duty which have been set in the before, such as counting the wizard of the man and accepting the paying respect of the junior monk and novice and so on. 14 he accepted. Therefore, that man is the Thera Samvasaka person. Even though he is the bhikkhu, actually he is not the bhikkhu anymore because he already given the training rule, Sikhan Pichakaya. Therefore, for the monk, if they take her or if they give her the training rule, I think the 20 technique, the first directly let me, okay, you may think me as a man, as a lay person. You may think me as a novice. Many ways they can take out, they can give it their training rule in Pali, Sekha Pichakana technique. I think 20 method. So many methods he can think about it. Here, Sekha Pichakaya means he will use the you may take me as a novice, therefore he is the novice, not the man anymore. Therefore, his appearance is the getting correctly, became novice correctly, but he commit the dosila gamma. Dosila gamma, even though he do or not, it doesn't matter. Dosila gamma means the linga. That means the Panadi, Pata, Viramani, and Bhikkhuni Dusaka until these 10 morality, if he commit or not, if he break or not, it doesn't matter. But because of the he accept it, 14 in the county the without the monk, accepted the paying respect of the other junior and other novice, because he is not anymore monk, he is still novice, therefore he cannot count the wizard. Therefore, he is the Thera Samvasaka person. Actually, here Thera Samvasaka means the Samvasa Thenaka person, not the Linga Thenaka person. Second, Apicakaya Salingi Tito Metuna Pati Sewaitawa Wisa Gananadi Beran Widi Apijando Thera Samvasko Nahodi Papija Mata Lavati. The man doesn't give it his training rule. That means he is state monk. Salingi Tito, having practice or having existed as a meant appearance. Metunan Padisevidwa, having committed the sexual misconduct. Visa Gananadi Bidan Vide Abijando, he practiced or he still practiced the county the wizard or the man and so on. He is not the Thera Samvasaka person because he is the still monk. Even though he commit the Methuna Dhamma, that means he commit the Parajika offense, he is the still monk. Pavija Matan Levati, he get just the monk, not the morality man. Sila Winter person. He cannot be the Sila Winter person. Why here does it become the Thera Samvasaka? The Thera Samvasaka is only related to the novice, not related to the monk. Therefore, for the men, even though they commit the Parajika offense, before giving up their training rule, they are still monk. But even though they are still monks, not the Sila Venta monk. Therefore, without becoming the Sila Venta monk, they cannot participate the Sangha Gamma. Upasara Gamma, Pavarana Gamma, Nyati Gamma, Nyati Duriya Gamma, Nyati Sirosa Gamma, and Apalogana Gamma. Those types of Sangha Gamma, they cannot be participate. If they participate, those types of Sangha Gamma all are not successful. Because of them, because of him, those Sangha Gamma are the broken, cannot be successful. By doing not to be successful the Sangha Gamma, they, after next life, they can be reborn in the hell. Not committed the Metuna Parajika Gamma, Parajika offense. That because of they make not to be successful the Sangha Gamma, therefore they go to the hell in the second life. Therefore, for monk, if they commit the any parajika offense, after knowing the oh, I commit the parajika offense, they can be the state novice. And then, even though they are not the state novice, they can be advised not to participate in the Sangha Gamma. At the time, they cannot be they are not to be sure to go to the hell. But one more thing is if they are the committee the parajika of hell, still monk. But when they said their other Sila Winter junior men pay respect, at the time they need to accept because appearing the monk. And also they will count their visa continuously. For example, some monk commit the parajika offense within the 20 vasa. At the time, he is not the Sila Winter person, but he will count the next visa the 21 vasa. They will count it and they will take the senior position. At the time, other junior men, they will pay respect. By accepting the other Sila Winter junior men, this is also very big problem, they will get dangerous. This is also types of go to the hell. Therefore, if they don't participate, the Sangha Karma is not okay, and they need to be pure their mindset. Okay, I commit the offense, parajika offense. I cannot stay anymore as a mat, but I want to stay in the teaching of the Buddha. Therefore, I need to be destroyed and I need to become novice. In this way, they can state it. At the time, for their second life, not sure they will go to the hell or not sure. But if they stay monk and they participate in Sangha Gamma, surely they will go to the hell. Andatta Gatayam Bana Eso Thera Samwas Goti Vodan Dan Nagahitava. On the other hand, in the commentary of the Andatta, that person also Thera Samwaska person. In the Andatta commentary, it is said that those types of person also called the Thera Samwaska person. Then, this explanation or interpretation should not be given or should not be taken. Because this opinion, many other persons doesn't agree. Because he is the monk, not the novice. Or the novice related to Thera Savasaka, not for the monk. Ego Bhikkhu Kasaye Sa Osa Hoa Order than Niwa Sitawa Me Tunan Pati Sewetawa Puna Kasayani Niwa Sitawa Wisa Gananadi Bedan Saban Wite Apejadi Ayambi Thera Samwasako Nahoti Pabija Madam Labati. Egawa Bhikkhu Kasaye Sa Osa Hoa Ya Sa Osaha Ya Sa Osaha Midi he had some attachment regarding the road. Therefore, he had some intention or some attachment. Here the Osawa. This Osawa meaning we can think about it. That means the Osawa the making effort. Here the making effort to the road. order the niwa sitawa. That means the having wear the other white cloth. Here is the white cloth means the whatever is it. Here is the order that even though you the order that white cloth. Nowadays in the like in Myanmar they are also wear the white clothes. But not only the white clothes, human clothes, whatever human clothes he wear. But in his mindset, he had that some attention. I want to wear the robe again. Like this. After that, may two name Padisewadawa, having committed such a misconduct. Puna Kasayani Niwa Dedawa, having wear the rose again. Wisa Gananadi Bedan Saban Widana Abijadi, he prided the order the procedure which shall be set in the before, counted the wizard and game. Ayambi Tira Samwasko na hodi. That person also not the Tira Samwaska person. Babija Madan Levity, he get the just appearance of the monk, not the Silawanta person. Because he already committed Metuna Dhamma Sikkhavada. Even though in the previous is the Bhikkhu Sikha Abhijakaya, that means the Salingi. Sikha Abhijakaya Salingi, that means the he committed Metuna Dhamma by wearing the robe. And then he count his monk wasa. Here second person the he committed the Metuna Dhamma without wearing the robe, but wearing the other clothes. Yakita the with wearing the robe or without wearing the robe, if they commit Metuna Dhamma Sikkhavada, those types of men are the already commit the Parajika offense. Therefore, these are the Parajika offense they committed. But this Parajika offense is the related to the monk, not related to the novice. Here, Thera Samvaska is also only related to the novice, not related to the monk. Therefore, that person, that men are not the Thera Samvaska. They get the just appearance of the monk. That means they are the just appearance, not the Silawanta monk. Saji Pana Kasayi Duran Neki Pedawa Order Dan Niwa Sidawa Me Tunan Pati Sewedawa Puna Kasayani Niwa Sidawa Wisa Gananadi Bidan Saban Widanan Apijadi Tira Sanwa Sako Hoti. If that person give the duty or give the attachment to the road, having wear the other clothes. Me too nan pati sewaitawa. Having commit the sexual misconduct. Puna kasayani niwa sitawa. Having wear the road again. Wisa gananadi bedan saban widing abijadi. He prided the all procedure such as the county the monk wisa. He is the Thera Samvaska person. Okay, here keep it the Kansayi Duran Niki Pedawa. That means he already destroyed the monk light. He already given the monk light. Partly I already said in the Pali Sikha Pichakana, we had there, I think 20, I'm not sure, 20 technique. When we want to be destroyed from manhood to novice or layman, at the time, he can say, at the moment, he are Gatsayi Duraniki maybe one type of the Sikha Pitakana method. Therefore, by doing this, he is not stay man. Therefore, he wear the robe, he wear the other clothes and he commit the Mithuna Dhamma, and then he wear again the robe and he count monk, wasa and gay. Two types of person got the Thira Samvaska. That means the people committed the Mithuna Dhamma Sikkhavada, and before wearing the other clothes, he already given the manhood. Therefore, he is not the still manhood. But it's okay. But the key is the another key. The Puna Kasayani Niwa Sitawa. He wear the robe again. That means he make novice by himself. That means he still the appearance. This is the first one. And then second by he practice the counting the without the mat. Those person called the Thera Samvasaka. Among these Thera Samvasaka is the Upaya Tinaka person. The first, he still the appearance of the novice, and then he pleased with the counting the visa and so on. Therefore, this person is the Upaya Tinaka person. That means the Linga Tinaka and Samvasa Tinaka. Puna Kasayani Niwa Sitawayadi Linga Tinaka with a Ganadi Bedan Saban Weeding Abijadi Samwasa Tinaka. Therefore, this person is the Tera Samwaska person. But yeah, we need to be careful point the Kasayi Duraniki Pedoa. That means he give it or he second picture kaya. He give it his 20 rule. That means he give it his manhood. Therefore, he is not anymore monk. Therefore, for him, if he commit and if he wear the novice appearance and if he practice the county devasa, they are the Thera Samvasaka. Okay, let's start here our class by reciting Buddha Sasana Jiran Ditru 3 times. Buddha Sasana Jiran Ditru, Buddha Sasana Jiran Ditru, Buddha Sasana Jiran Ditru, Sadhu, Sadhu, Sadhu.
Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Thank you so much, Bante.
Yeah, okay, welcome.
See you, Bante.
Yeah, see you.